Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to view your credit score on Simple in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. The first step, of course, is going to be to log into your Simple account. So go ahead and log into your Simple account using your email address and your password, which you can do on Simple's website, or you can choose to log in on Simple's mobile app on your mobile device. Now, once you're logged into your account, go ahead and click on the credit score button that's in the top navigation bar. And then you're going to be able to view your credit scores, including the credit score value and a summary of the factors that affect your credit score. Simple makes it easy to see those factors, and you can go ahead and confirm the scores details by simply reviewing the information. And it's pretty helpful that Simple helps you by showing you the factors that contribute to your overall credit score, which you can then do something about to take care of. That's pretty much it on how to view your credit score on Simple in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.